and I'm gonna, before you go, you got
3 days after.
Yeah, mine's alright on my shoulder, it's just if you feel it.
if you're buying it.
That's my dinner. But you can have some if you want. 'Cause you're pretty cute. You're pretty cute. Hello, bird. Hello. Hey there, baby. Hey there, baby. Oh. Oh, so nice. So nice. Yes, I've got a package. Package for bird. You can see there's a little bird on the logo. I wonder what's inside. Could it be for you? I don't know. I just have to open it and take a look. Cool. Now let's see what kind of toys the bird has been delivered. Ooh, what's this? That looks fun. It's just a bunch of shells and things to pick at. Look! It's a new toy for you. What's that? Ooh, what's that? You have fun with that. Let's see what else is in there. Oh, look at that. A little bouquet of... Actually, the bird really likes that substance. That she likes to peck at those. So she'll have fun with that. And where's the last one? Oh, look! Little bird also likes this type. Yes, three little nice safe bird toys for bird. Are you happy? You're gonna be happy with those. You're gonna make a big mess. Oh, what's that? Something for you to tear apart. Isn't it nice? Isn't it colorful? It's nice and crunchy. What? What do you want? Don't little scratchy pets, do you? What little scratchy pets? Yeah. Ooh, aren't you soft? Aren't you soft? Aren't you soft? Aren't you soft? Here. Is it not as exciting as pets? Not as exciting as pets? Yeah, look at your hair. Look at your funny feathers. Aren't you funny? Oh. Are you a smart bird? Are you a technical mathematical bird? Do you know what you're doing, or do you just like to peck the buttons? I don't think you're gonna get those buttons out. No. Of course you'd rather play with my calculator than to play with your new toys. Yeah. Look at your tongue. It's like a little finger. So weird. You're so weird.